Hi, I'd love to tell you about Elle Capital, the women owned quantitative hedge fund. So it was founded by me. My name's Elle Kaplan, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer. I come to Elle Capital with decades of Wall Street experience, having worked in investment banking, sales and trading, and as a repeat entrepreneur. I founded my first company in 2010, which I serve as chairwoman of and is still a successful going concern. My co founder is John Adkins. He has degrees in math and computer science and also decades of Wall Street experience doing quantitative research. We're supported by a part time team of a COO, administrative staff, and investor relations staff. We also are honored that Howard Morgan, one of the co founders of Renaissance Technologies, sits on our board. We're a team that takes ESG quite seriously, both in terms of our internal build out and the investments we seek to include in the portfolio. We built a quantitative hedge fund that we think is really unique. It has stock like returns with long term bond like risk. It has a Sharpe ratio of over 1.4%, and it uses human behavior to make buy and sell decisions. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how we do that. So, what we do is we look at investor psychology and we create math and computer code around that to form our algorithms. The L Capital Fund has over 20 unique algorithms. And without giving away too much, let me give you an example of one such algorithm where we say when human behavior tends to exhibit greed, we can go long technology stocks. And when it tends to exhibit fear, we'll go long utility stocks. And when it's not exhibiting one way or the other, the algorithm might choose to sit out in cash. So, using our fear versus greed example, we have an asset to go long in and one to go short in. And if we think the market's positioning the other way, where it's feeling very fearful, well, we can also reposition our algorithms in terms of its long and its shorts. So, using that, we partnered with best in breed custodians, banks, and law firms to build a fund that we think will be very large one day. And as we increase in AUM, we have an ambitious plan to add additional team members. We invite you to please get in touch. We're passionate about adding to the world of women-owned quant funds, of which there are so few. The stats are of the thousands of hedge funds that exist, just 80 are women-owned. So we're very proud of Elle Capital, and we invite you to email or call so we can tell you more about all of the special things we're doing.